YouTube, what's cracking? Another vet update for y'all. As you can see, she is down and on the ground outside. She ain't getting no sunlight, but she getting some sort of light. Yeah, got her all down, back together. Everything's on. Fender liners. Wasn't a good time putting those things on, but they're in there. It's back how it was before, so she's all together. Like I said, exhaust and all that good stuff is on there. Remember we did those valve flaps for the valves. Dang, where's my light? I would show y'all. Oh, I know where it's at. Hold on. Oh, please. All right. Excuse my old man noises. That's what I was talking about. You see that guy up in there? So there's one there, not one there, one there, not one there. So it's just the inside guys right there. I cannot close them to show you how that works because we have them rigged open now. But so it should sound pretty sick. Hopefully, we'll see. But yeah, that's gonna pretty much end things off on the vet for a good minute until I get situated with my adult life things, and then I have the money to spare to throw at this thing. And by money to spare, I mean at least like $2,500. So as you can see, that is why we are waiting. I do not have that money to throw around right now. It is already spoken for other said reasons. So it is what it is. But once it's all done, which basically I'm just moving. It's nothing crazy. Once I move, I'll have some money, and then we will go ahead and move back forward on this thing, get the motor dropped off, put together. Hopefully they don't drag feet. And then I'm shooting to have this running by like, I don't know, mid-November, Thanksgiving. But you know how timelines go. If you know me personally, they never go according to plan. So who knows? My real deadline that I'm kind of setting for myself in the background, I want to drive this thing by my birthday. I usually have, like, anytime I have a build going, I want to hear it or drive it or start it or something like that by my birthday. I did it with the Camaro when I did the first version of it. I actually did it with the Camaro a couple times. GTO, not so much. She was a trooper. But, yeah, it was mostly the Camaro, I guess. And then the Malibu once or twice. But you guys don't know about that car. But anyways, yeah. So we're going to try. But I would really like to drive or at least hear this thing run by my birthday, which is December 9th. But I feel like I can, once I get situated in a new spot, start get adjusted and whatnot, I should be able to pull off Thanksgiving with this thing. The only other things that I really want to buy before I stab the motor in at least is the slave cylinder. I want to change that guy out. And for those who don't know, I guess I'll go ahead and show you so you know what I'm talking about. Let's see if we can reach the hood release. New hood struts, boy. Oh, look at that. Jesus, relax. Anyways, that guy right there, that's what we want to change. It doesn't look bad, don't get me wrong, but it's exposed, Well, I might as well go ahead and spend the money and do it while I can get to it instead of running the car and then lo and behold, it's no good. So I'm going to change that. I'm going to leave the master alone, which is under here. But it's sort of easily accessible, so I figured I'd at least send it on that, and then if it's no good, then I'll go ahead and change it. But it's tucked right on up in there, so we'll leave that and see how it does. And then yeah, we'll change that guy. I'm not gonna put nothing crazy in it, probably another stock one or something, I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Once I get that, I would be okay with stabbing the motor. I have pretty much everything else. Oh, I take that back. So that, my bad. That, and I'm thinking that I should maybe, I don't know. I've been back and forth on it with the headers. I'll probably stab the motor without, because it'd be easier, give me more room. I've seen videos of people fishing them in from the bottom, so worst kind of worst, I'll just have to get the car stupid high up in the air and just fish them in from the bottom, which is no big deal. So now that I say that, I take that back. I don't care about headers. But yeah, we're gonna get there. We got some other things. Stock components that'll work for now, but I want to change out later, which I'm pretty sure I already told you guys, you know, injector, intake, cold air, blah, 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 all that good stuff. So definitely got some work to do. I'm honestly ready for it. I'm excited. I'm ready to hear this thing. I want to see what it freaking sounds like, especially with this cam and this compression being upped a little bit. I think it's going to sound pretty good, but I'm just ready to see for myself. So that's pretty much this video. Sorry I rambled on for so long, but I had some people asking, and I guess I figured that I would go ahead and tell you guys in case they're new to the channel or just for some reason catching this video and not the other ones. I have a post up on my Instagram, which is THEBOSSDEE. You follow me on there, I'll accept you. I just put a post up on there showing all the engine parts and whatnot, or whatever, and it's talking about the build and stuff, other stuff that I've done. But that, honestly, all that stuff you guys already know about, so whatever. But I'm gonna get out of here. It's starting to get dark. Gotta push this thing back inside, but she looks good. I gave her a little bird bath. I didn't want to pull water hose out and all of that good stuff because the battery is junk and it's dead, and I have the windows down, so I would have to pull the truck over here to jump it off, and I didn't feel like doing all of that. So, and I didn't want it dripping all over the garage. So this is gonna have to do for now, but she looks good. I can't wait to get it paint corrected and all that good stuff. It's gonna look even better. But I'm gonna call it here, man. Catch y'all boys later. Y'all be safe. Oh, and girls, sorry, and girls. Y'all be safe. Appreciate the love and support. For real, the views y'all been showing out, man, on random videos, but that's cool. It's way better and more than what I expected it to be anyways in the first place. So I appreciate every single one of you. And hey, man, the content comes along, I got y'all. So stay tight, man. Hang with me. Once I get all this stuff sorted out and figured out, we're gonna be back at it full throttle ahead. Just hang on for me.